everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a POE Ethernet splitter. This is sweet. So this is going to give us power over Ethernet. So if we're going to some of our routers and things like that in the other areas of the house, we're going to actually be able to get power to them through this one here. So let's show you what we've got. So we have power here. It'll take power in of a, what would it be? I guess just whatever the POE is giving it here. Oh, right there, 5 volts. We can take a 5 volt in, or we can have the power in on this is what we have, really. So we have power in on this, and then it's gonna go ahead and give us power out to these two. So how cool. So we have a splitter that is POE. So that's gonna be really handy for us as well. So that's really cool. So let me show you guys. I'll set it up over here and you'll see what it looks like. Okay, you can see here, I gave it power from another power device, and then here's the input coming from the other side, and then my other sides right now, they're not going anywhere, but they're gonna be going to my Ethernet routers that are POE powered. So how cool is that? So now we're gonna be able to get power all the way through. So very cool, thumbs up for sure.